Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. It's your guy. In this video, we'll be discussing on how to create a 3D mock-up book cover. If you are one of them that are looking to create a fantastic, fancy book cover, in this video we'll be discussing about that, and I'll be using this Adizin.com website to mock up my 3D book cover. Basically, why I like this site is because it's free. Everything here is free. The book covers is free, although you can go for a premium. They equally have premium, I think so. So these are the examples of 3D book cover that the template anyone can use. So see the templates of the book covers. Isn't it nice? A wonderful book cover. So you can use or choose any one of them from this template store and make as your 3D book cover. So right now I'm going to choose any of them. Let me go for this one. You can make your choice, any of your choice, the one you like most. So now these are the place where you will upload your book cover. For instance, you might have created your cover page, your book cover page. So here we are talking about how to mock it up. So here you can upload GPG or PNG files as a book cover. So right away they will require your email. All I have to do just to submit my email. Then I will choose a file I choose a book cover that I've created already. Just a simple step. It's not that difficult. For instance, there is a book cover I created. Using my phone to do this. You can use your phone to do this, to create this. It's a nice thing, very easy. Okay. I haven't found it yet. So guys, let me choose the cover now. Please, if you have not subscribed, before we continue, please use this opportunity to subscribe. Hit the like button, hit the notification button, and subscribe so that next time I place a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So I'll be choosing my book cover that I've created on Canva. I created this book cover from Canva using my phone. So if you want to create a book cover, you can go straight to canva.com and create a book cover. So now this is the book cover I've uploaded. Now I want to mock it up to become a form of a real book cover. Now it says send me my cover. You have to click send me my cover. So while we wait for the site to open, okay, it's opening, it's loading. Just give it time. So right here, you will click here. You will click here. Here. I'm sorry, a mistake. You click here. Here it says download your free mockup. So I will right away click here. So, but first of all, let me show you an example how it looks like. I think they used to show the example. So this is how it looks like. See, this is the example of the mockup we just created now. You see, isn't that amazing? What a fantasy book! What a wonderful book! So you can have a trial of other things. They have so many templates. You can go for pro if you want pro, but right now all we have to do is to click here, download your free mockup. It's downloading. Let's open it to see. Yes, wonderful. Guys, see how it looks like. This is the book we just created now, the special cookbook. So this is the cover. So this is how to mock up a 3D book cover. Guys, if you like it, drop your comments, share it, ask your question. If there is any other one you would like to be interested for video to be created, you can drop it at the comment section. While you hit the notification button, please subscribe to help us to grow this channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.